Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. In today's video I'm going to share a complete flip through of each one of these 5 patchwork journals that I've created. So I've been working on these while in my recliner as I can after my accident, which happened at the beginning of November. So I'm still recuperating from that auto accident, my mother as well. Thank you so much everyone for your prayers and concerns on that. So these items will be put up in my shop, trying to get some things in there before it's too close to Christmas here. But anyway, these journals, each one is very similar. They all have a fabric cover, patchwork, hand stitch, slow stitch, just a running stitch on there to attach the pieces to a piece of batting. And then I used a bubble envelope for the base of the journal cover, so they're all a little bit flexible. And I do have a video showing how I do that. I'll link that in the description box. But these journals, there's 5 here. These will be up for sale in my Ko-fi shop. So I'm going to move these aside so I have a little room here. And we're going to just start going through these one by one. So again, very similar, all of them, but each one is a little bit different. So this one, of course, has these beautiful blue and green colors on it. And then here's the back of the cover. These are all single signatures sewn in. This one has a tie on the side with this cute little bee fabric. It's got little bees on there. And this is a daisy and bee themed journal. So I have a little envelope here with a journal card inside. I have some embossed handmade paper from my friend Cheryl's. She sent that in a Happy Mail, and I just put that on some cardstock so that it had a little stability. And then as we go through any of the dyed papers that I've used, those are from Cheryl's at Cheryl's Crafts, so I will link her shop in the description box. And I have a little belly band here. And this kit is from Elsie Bell's Bookshelf. I will find that and link it as well. So I've got a little bit of tea-dyed paper in here, a pocket, and a little tuck spot there. Here's a center signature. We have a little upper tuck spot. So I kept these very simple. These definitely are a writing journal. Here's a little pocket here with another little envelope, a little coin envelope, and a card in there. And then I have a couple other ephemera pieces. They're all backed with either coffee dyed or tea dyed paper or natural dyed paper. And then here's a little tuck spot at the top. So I just like the clean, beautiful images on here. Of course, daisies are my favorite flower because in my family I have Dale, Alyssa, Zach, and Yvette, D-A-Z-Y. So I have even a daisy tattoo for that for my family. So I guess we're daisy-er now with my grandson. So there's that one. And then we'll go with this one next here. Well, I'm having a little trouble. We're going to go with the pink one here. So the pink one has all different floral fabrics on there, very shabby chic looking. It has this wide piece of lace that ties on, and how I did that, I just tied it around and then tied it in a knot. This has a lace piece running all the way along the middle here, and then I've put little buttons on there. Again, single signature, all of them. So we have some rose theme here. Now, all of these have 52 pages. I forgot to mention that. It's single signature. So eventually I'll get all the information out to you. So this kit is from, it just slipped my mind, Jesus Junk Journals. And I've got a link down in the description box. This is a page from Lindsey Zenor, one of her kits. I don't remember which one. Have a little flip spot there. This is some avocado dyed paper. That's a little flip out. This is also from a Lindsey Zenor kit. Then I made a little tuck spot here. And this is a mason jar that's cut handmade paper from my friend Cheryl's again. And then this just flips down and continues to be a journal spot. And then this just tucks in underneath both of those. I thought that was just a fun way to close that off. Another piece of hand-dyed or handmade paper there from Cheryl's and her beautiful tea-dyed paper. This is another piece of handmade paper that I made into a little journal card. And that just tucks in here under these two hearts. So Cheryl sent me some of this beautiful handmade paper, and I thought it just went nice with this journal and the colors in it. All of the journal cards are backed. We have this and another piece of handmade paper there. Then I just made a little heart for a note. I have a little envelope here from the kit and just a folded little piece of paper. And in the back we have a little pocket with some ephemera in there. So there's that one. And this one is called Pink Rose Garden. All right, so our next one here, continuing along, will be this one. So I have a crocheted jute tie on this one. I just doubled it in half, wrapped it around, and then ran the two ends through and tied it in a bow. This one I put a little pocket on the cover out of an old dresser runner. And I've got a couple of little things in here. Again, this is from that kit from Jesus Junk Journals. The rest of these have that kit in there. Here's the back of the cover. Single signature, 52 pages, just like the other ones. This one, this handmade paper from Cheryl's was a little bit delicate, so I put it on a piece of tea-dyed paper, made a little journal card out of it, tucked it in the front there. And then this, I took the envelope from the kit and I made a little tuck spot. So this comes up like this, and this one comes down like this. And then they both tuck under that envelope. I just thought that was a cute way to finish that off. If I can get it back in there now. There we go. This is her beautiful dandelion paper that I purchased from Cheryl's. We have an envelope and a piece of hand-dyed paper in there, or handmade paper, I'm sorry. Again, just lots of room for journaling with a couple of little spots here and there. I like to use tags as tuck spots sometimes rather than as a tag. Just makes it fun, I think. There's a little belly band here, and in the back we have a little pocket. So again, all of these are made, as you can see, they're kind of flexible covers. They're all made with the envelope there, and I did show that in a prior video, so you'll want to check that out. Pretty simple. I know people have used envelopes before, but I use it in a little bit different way than I've seen people use it before, so maybe you'd be interested in learning how I did those. Kind of have to compromise when you don't have a craft table to sit at. That's definitely where I've been for a while here now. So let's show this one. This one is all about owls. Oh, the cover, as you can see, I've just layered up again the fabrics on there, but I know people like to see what it looks like. So inside we just have little pages here. Again, this is from Elsie Bell's bookshelf. And I did a little bit of stitching on some of these, did a little bow down here, put it right through the paper. I did a little bit of doodling on this one. I like to add some handwritten doodles here and there, and I thought this journal called for that, so definitely added those in. There's a little journal card in there. And another envelope there with a journal card. And I just love this little image. He's so cute. Little sleepy owl. And then I did a little bit of hand stitching on that one. These are all covered on the back, of course. I want him to peek out. He's so cute. Have a little tuck spot up here. A couple journal cards. I didn't do a lot of decorating as far as buttons or trims on any of these because I really wanted them to be something that had a little bit of a special touch, like the stitching, and then little bits of places where we have tuck spots and pockets and things. But I wanted this to be more of like a writing journal or something that the person can add their own touches to. Plus, not doing that kind of keeps the cost of the journal down. This has a little flip up with a journal spot on there. And I made 2 tuck spots here. And I love to use the scrap pieces like this just as a trim piece on the edging of the journal page. And then in the back I had this is the collar section on a shirt that I used to have and I really liked, and had it for a long time, and it started to fray and things at the bottom, so I cut out the upper part of the part around your neck and made a little pocket out of it. So I like how that turned out. And then in the back here I just have some loose pieces from the kit, and then I have a little file folder that I've lined with some of Cheryl's beautiful paper, and then I have a whole bunch more from the kit in here. Didn't have enough to make another journal, I didn't feel, so I probably did, but I just thought it would be fun to stick these in, and whoever purchases this journal will have those items to use or to create another journal with. So there's that one. I love how it sounds. And let me tie this one up so that we don't forget. And then we have our last one, which is the purple one. Purple, passionately purple, I called this one. So it has all different kinds of purple fabrics on there, front and back, and then I put all of the buttons on each one of the intersections where the pieces join together. And I have a piece of that handmade paper in the front. I made this journal cover a little bit bigger so I could have a pocket on the front there. And this is a little envelope at the top. It's got a little fold out for a journal spot. This is some paper that I made myself. And just a piece of paper tucked in there. And a fabric flip on this one. More handmade paper. Another piece of handmade paper. So as you can see, each one has their own little bit of personality. This again is from the kit, and the tabs are from the kit, and the journal card. There's a piece of Cheryl's handmade paper there, and the other piece on this side. So this has a little fold out, and that's a journal spot as well. And then in the back we have a pocket, and there are, or is, the last of the 5 journals here. I'll be having one more of these available. That will be the red retro journal that I'm working on for the December challenge. I wanted to do something that I know I could complete in the month of December, so be watching for that. That'll also be for sale. So we have the purple one, the pink one, the teal one, and the owl one, and the other brown one. So please check these out. Check out the other items in my Ko-fi shop. I am almost to my goal of 600 followers on Ko-fi when I'll have my giveaway. So go ahead and become a follower there on Ko-fi for an opportunity for that drawing. So that drawing will be one winner from among all of the people who have purchased in my shop since I opened it. The other goal that I have is 1,600 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and when I reach that, I have 2 journals I'm giving away for that. So please like the video. That helps me a lot, and comment so that I stay in the algorithm. And also, if you are not a subscriber, please consider doing so. I look forward to giving away those journals. I'm hoping to do that before the end of the year. Also, any purchase over $40 between December 1st, 2024 and December 15th, 2024 will be qualified for a drawing for a $100 shopping spree in my shop. So be sure to check out the other items and make sure that your total purchase is $40 or more to be entered into that giveaway. One name will be drawn from among all the sales during those dates, and the winner will receive a $100 shopping spree to be used in my shop. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Have a great day.